Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. This is the high activity PVC jump rope which I bought recently on Amazon. The main reason I bought it is one of our viewers, Abhishek Bhattacharya, has been using this jump rope for quite some time. Through many of his comments, I came to know he's very happy with the rope, so I thought I'll give it a try.
These are the colors the rope comes in. All look really attractive. I went for the conservative white rope with the black handles. That is what we will talk today.
In terms of height, is this rope length okay for me? No, it's a bit too long for me. I'm 6 feet tall and I like my PVC jump ropes ending somewhere here at the bottom of my chest or sternum, as you can call it. And what I do to shorten the rope is I don't like to cut the PVC ropes. I like to add knots to the rope, and specifically the figure 8 knot is what it is called. It's a knot which looks like figure 8. How do we do it? This is how we do it. I won't talk you through it, you can just have a look at it. You see, figure 8. I'll add one more. So 2 figure 8s on one side. I'll add 1 figure 8 on the other side. Handle goes around, comes back up, goes through the knot, and you have a figure 8. Let's see how's the length now. Yeah, this is more like it. This is like a comfortable length for me. So I think this is a 9 feet rope, and with these knots I don't know how much it has gone down, possibly by a feet or maybe half a foot. Now let's give it a first try. I already was jumping with another rope, so that's why I'm sweating. That's okay. Let us start jumps with the high activity PVC rope. Rope feels good in the hand. Handles also feel good. Very nice. This company has gone with a permanent branding on their rope, on the handle. I hope you can see the embossing or die cut high activity branding on the handle. They haven't gone for a sticker or possibly a lighter paint job. Good job. Now let us jump. Let us start with some double unders, shall we? Here we go. Feels good for the double unders. What about normal jumps? I'm sure that will also feel good. Usually the move I go for testing a new rope, not even testing, getting to know the rope, is the double under. So if the rope feels good for double unders, usually all the other limited moves that I know would be very good, is my assumption, and it has held good till now. I could turn the camera up and show you. There's a family or a group of parrots flying home. The time is 5:46 here. Sun setting, natural lighting. Fantastic. overall the first impressions on this rope is, I would say, very impressive. Simple rope, but very well made rope. Doesn't kink much, at least out of the packing it is not kinking. After a little bit of use also, there are no kinks. Sounds good in the air. So if you're one of those fast speed jumpers, I think this rope will hold good also. And at the holes from which the ropes come out in the handle, they have kind of rounded it, no sharp edges. So I hope the rope doesn't cut at the handles. Some lower quality PVC jump ropes, basically you will see that the edge of the handle is pretty sharp from where the rope comes out. So with use, the ropes typically fail at that point. I think they have taken care of this issue very well. So let's finish this video by saying the first impressions on this rope is pretty good. The price at which I bought it, all those details, I'll put it somewhere in the screen so that you will also know at what price I bought the rope. I have no affiliation with the company High Activity. As is the practice in this channel, I share my feedback and my views based on my personal purchase and personal usage. Okay, so till I see you in the next video, enjoy your jumps, stay safe, take care, and bye bye.